Here. All right, check it out. We are at the pre-game to the light show here. Wow, look at these. No gas, that's official. All right, man, there's a lot going on over here. Wow, yeah, I'm gonna make a little round over here. Look at this.
This is the Christmas light. So I don't know this.
Wow, this green one is unbelievable. This wrap looks so good. Whose is this?
I think I know who owns it. I just haven't seen him yet.
Oh, and it's a ludicrous performance one too. Wow, this looks so good.
It's not a wrap, is it?
It has to be, right? Because they don't make that color.
Well, it could be a paint job.
Oh yeah, that's true. It could be paint, but wow, that looks incredible, really. Wow, this is, look at this one too. What? I think I know this person. This is sick. Wow. Look at this.
Well, there's
What
a bunch
up?
of bees in there, and I was going to clear them out. And of course,
Hey,
now.
what's up, man?
how are you?
Good, man. Hello. Wow, this is so cool. Oh, they taped it. Once it gets dark, this is gonna look so. Who's
On the
that?
white, it's the best.
Tesla 01.
Oh wow, look at that, nice. Oh, look at these guys. Hey, I know you guys. Hey, what's up? What's happening? Look at this. Is that legal? Which one is mine? I don't even know. Look at that. That is awesome.
Lights are good, aren't they?
Yeah, that actually comes out perfect with the wrap and the lights, like, and the wheels. That is sick. Wow, look at that. Nice. This is, whose is this? Damn, look at these wheels. Wow. Oh, the Bitcoin. Oh, look, the Bitcoin. It's the Bitcoin Cybertruck. All right. Hey, it's the Bitcoin Cybertruck. Nice. Damn, that's sick. This is sick. Look, it is shaping up over here. Uh-oh. Someone started the light show early. All right, check it out. We are pre-gaming here for the light show. And this is the lineup of the S's and the Cybertrucks. Check it out, EVCT. Wow, look at this. Coming in from Pennsylvania. All right, the ruby red. This is crucial. Wow. He's got the matching. Wow, look at this. What? This is incredible. This is so sick. This is, hey, what's up, man? How's it going? This is awesome. Damn. Look at this. This is sick color too. Wow. Got the plushies. Oh shit. All right. Look at these wheels. What's going on, man? These are awesome. One of these, whose are these? Do you know? Oh, I love this color, man. The wheels on this is incredible. That's one of the best wheels I've seen on a Cybertruck, period. That's awesome. What color is it? It's like brown, like maroon, red. Probably, yeah, black. Even at nighttime, it probably, I'm sure the sunlight makes it like change. This is sick. Whew. Oh, all right, hello. Look at the tactical troop support here, Mr. JD. Hello. Wow, this is one of my favorite Cybertrucks of all time right here. What's up, JD? How's it going? This is so cool. Look at this, tactical troop transport. Oh my God, what is going on back here? No way, this is...
portable heater with me. You got
This-
I do have an extension cord.
Incredible, wow. This is the real deal. This is how it is done.
Thinking about getting rid of my...
How do you use a Cybertruck? 101.
Yeah.
Seriously, this is wow.
I have things to make more for me too, and things like that. Wow. I actually got stuff to make coffee.
Oh, nice. Doing it right, man. That is that. How to use the Cybertruck 101 right here.
Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, we got the plaid right here. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Behind the scenes. The convoy is coming.
Yeah,
look at that.
They're pretty organized. They've got it figured out.
That is the best organized I've ever seen. What's up, man?
Well, we went through one.
Hey, what's up, man? Good to see you again.
see you, bro.
You're the one. This is yours, right?
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Yes, sir.
Did not forget about this, man. Good. Yeah.
A little crazy.
Sick, man.
Are
Sick.
you guys planning on?
Look at all these Cybertrucks pulling up right here. What?
Hey, Rico, every other spot. Every other spot.
Oh my God. See that steering? Look at that four-wheel steering. Look at those wheels.
Right here.
The convoy has arrived. Oh my God, look at this. Oh. Wow, this is sick. Nice, look at this. Interesting, all right. Wow, look at that. Damn. This is crazy. This is nuts. What? Wow. All right. The wheel covers. Hello. Whoa. It finally ends. It finally does eventually end. Oh my God. Hello. Wow, look at this.